So, grabe nga guys, no, after a few minutes or a few seconds, is na-receive na nga po natin yung ating pong ipinayout na $1.92. Okay? So, yan po yung patunay guys na talagang nagbabayad po ito pong application na ito. Hello guys, meron nga po pala akong 1,000 GCash giveaway pag na-reach po natin yung ating pong 5,000 subscriber. At para po makasali kayo, mag-subscribe lamang po kayo sa ating pong YouTube channel at pakiclick na rin po yung notification bell para po makasali ka na. Hi guys, at for today's video nga po, no, gusto ko lang share sa inyo itong bagong release na application, no. So ito po si Ebang Mining. So dito guys, ang gagawin mo lang is magre-register. So lagyan mo lamang po yung email, login password and confirm password. And after that guys, click mo na po itong register. So ayun nga guys, pagka-login natin is meron na tayo kaagad makikitang announcement, no. So ayan guys, at basahin nyo na lang po siya. Okay? So next, ayan, ito po yung kanilang mga announcement, no. Ayan, X muna natin. So, ito nga pala guys, no, ay isang investment platform, no, na kung saan ay kailangan muna natin mag-take ng risk before po tayo kumita. Okay? So, matadirect nga tayo guys sa kanilang pinaka-homepage. So, ayan guys, at ito po, no, yung kanila pong mga mining machine account. Ayan. And meron din tayo dyan mining machine plan. Ayan, activity. Fuck, invite friends about us and app download. Okay, so ito guys yung kanila pong welfare. And mag-follow po kayo sa kanilang Telegram channel guys. Makaka-earn po tayo dyan ng $0.1. Okay, so ayun guys, basahin nyo na lang po siya, no, at pag-aralan nyo po siya. Okay, so ito po yung cumulative user and cumulative user revenue. Okay, so napakarami na yan guys. And ito po yung kanilang real-time team reward report. Okay, so ayun guys, at ito nga pala guys yung kanila pong mga mining machine plan. Ayan, so minimum invest dito guys is $12. Ayan, ito po yung kanilang plan A. Ayan, so meron tayo dyan 16%, no, and meron tayo dyan 180 days. Okay, so ayan guys, meron tayo dyan level 1 8%, level 2 3%, level 3 is 1%. Okay, so yan po yung kanila pong commission reward. Okay, so kapag nag-invite po kayo, ayan, and then meron din tayong plan B. Ayan, 18% na yan guys, no, and minimum po dito is $70 up to $300. Okay, so 180 days din po yan, no, and meron tayong plan C. Ayan, and 20% naman po siya. Okay, so patas ng patas yan guys. Once na mas mataas po yung inyo pong in-invest dito, mas mataas po yung percentage po ng inyo pong daily mining yield. Okay, so ayun guys, at nasa sa inyo pa rin yan kung gusto nyong itry. Okay, so kung gusto mo mag-try guys, click lang po natin tong home. Ayan, so hanapin natin yung recharge. So click mo lang to recharge. Ayan, so dito guys, pwede po tayong gumamit, no, ng ating pong BIP20 USDT, TRC20 USDT, TRX BNB, and BIP20 USDC. Okay, so like for example guys, ito pong TRC20. Ayan, so copy mo lang tong address na to guys, at dito po tayo magre-recharge or magsisend ng atin pong i-recharge. Okay, ayan, at punta lang po kayo sa inyo pong Binance account or kahit anong account guys, basta meron po siyang kinalaman sa atin pong TRC20 USDT. And after that, pwede na po kayo mag-recharge. Okay, so ganun lang guys, kasimple, no, mag-recharge, at pwede na po kayong bumili ng ilang product once na nakapag-recharge na po kayo. Okay? So, ito na nga pala guys yung atin pong current level, no, dahil nakapag-invest or nakapag-recharge po tayo ng $12. Okay? So, ayun guys. At antayin lang po natin, no, yung atin pong earnings. Okay? So, ayun guys, and then click natin tong mining pool. Ayan. So, ito guys, meron tayong daily income dito na $1.92. Okay? So, ayan guys, and click lang natin tong to be collected. Ayan, so nakakollect na tayo guys ng $1.92. Okay? So, ayan guys, and then punta lang po tayo, no, dito po sa kanilang me. Ayan, at ito po yung ating pong account. Okay? So, ayan guys, dito po natin makikita, no, yung nilalaman po ng kanilang pong application. Okay? So, ngayon naman guys, click lang natin tong home. At mag-try na po tayo mag-withdraw, no? So click natin tong withdraw. Ayan, so dito guys, pwede po tayong gumamit ng BIP20 USDT and TRC20 USDT. Okay? So sa BIP20 guys, ang minimum withdraw dito is $1.8. Ayan, so lagay natin dito is 1.92. Ayan, dahil pwede natin yan i-withdraw. Okay, so lagay lang natin dito guys yung ating pong wallet address. Ayan, and then lagay natin yung ating pong security password. And after that guys, click na po natin tong confirm. Okay, so wait lang natin. So ayun guys, withdrawal success na siya, no? At antayin na lang po natin, no, na dumating sa atin pong Binance account. Okay, so update ko na lang kayo guys, no? And dito guys, no, ay wala pong sapilitan dahil gumagawa lang po ako ng review. Okay, so nasa sa inyo pa rin yan guys kung gusto nyong itry. Okay, so meron din tayong team. Ayan, so other way to guys para kumita, no, is yung pag-invite. Okay, so dito guys meron tayong tinatawag na 3 level commission, no. So ayan guys, level 1, level 2, and level 3, dito natin yan makikita. Okay, at kung gusto mo na pong mag-invite guys, no, ayan, click lang natin to home guys. Ayan, scroll nyo lang po siya and then click lang natin tong invite friends. Okay, so ito guys, at copy mo lang po yung ating link. Ayan, at pwede mo na yan i-share sa inyong mga social media account, no, like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay, so ito guys, yung atin pong friends recharge rebate. Ayan, level 1, 10%, level 2, 3%, level 3 is 1%. Okay, so is that we call 3-tier commission. Okay, so grabe nga guys, no, after a few minutes or a few seconds, is na-receive na nga po natin yung ating pong ipinayout na $1.92. Okay? So, yan po yung patunay guys na talagang nagbabayad po ito pong application na ito. Okay? So, ayan guys, at hanggang dito na lang muna, no, yung ating video. And kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod na video na ilalabas ko. And I hope na meron po kayo natutunan. And thank you for watching guys. Ingat po kayo and God bless you po.